I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah.
Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. So I look a hot mess right now. So what I'm gonna do is show you how to do a bun, do a puff or high top bun or high puff or whatever you call it. So these twists been in my hair for like 4 days straight. I just been in the house just with these twists. I had my hair twisted. It needs to wash, so I might wash it tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'm gonna wash it because sometimes I just can't be bothered. And I just had it in these twists, so I'm gonna take these twists out and I'm gonna put it in a high puff fro curly bun type thing for today or 2 days or whenever I'm ready to wash it. So I'm just gonna show you how I do my high top curly bun or puff or whatever you want to call it. This is my first time doing this kind of a video, and I've been wanting to do it for a long time, but I just wasn't sure when I wanted to do it. But so you're gonna need a brush. You're gonna need, well, I use a shoestring. Black or gray, whatever, you can hide it. And sometimes I use a comb to tuck the shoestring back under my bun with a comb pick, tail comb. And I use my water spray bottle. And I do use my Gorilla Glue and my little toothbrush for my edges. Okay, so first thing I do, I'm gonna take these twists out of my hair. Okay, and the curls are so nice. I don't know if I really want to put it up in a bun or should I just wear it as a twist out, but I think I'm gonna put it in a bun. Okay, so I'm gonna just take this out. Okay, I'm gonna show you the back in a minute. Okay, and so we take out these twists. So I'm just gonna keep taking out these twists all over. Yeah, so just take out all the twists out my hair. I love, actually these curls are so defined. It's sad that I'm not wearing a twist out. But it doesn't matter. So now I'm gonna just separate all the twists individually, get them open. You know, I do want to keep my curls, so I don't want to make it too puffy and too frizzy, but I do like a little frizz because I like it big. I do want to keep most of my curls, you know, so it will make it look scrumptious in a puff. You know, you don't want too much frizz. So take out all the curls. It looks so crazy right now. I look so crazy, but yeah, so keep taking it out, fluff it out a little bit. And now I'm gonna take my water bottle and spray the sides and get it, you know, a little smooth and brush it up real nice and smooth, because the idea is to get it sleek looking, well, as sleek as you can get it. Yeah, you just brush up the sides, and I'm gonna use my Gorilla Glue just a little and put it on the back of my hair and get it, all those waves going, girl, the waves. Get all those waves. And I'm also going to take some more and put on the sides and the front of my head. Yep. Get it all slick and nice. My head looked like a Saturn. So what I'm doing here is taking the comb and just taking out my edges, because it's real hard to use a toothbrush to take it out when it's all in with the Gorilla Glue. So I use the teeth of the comb and just kind of comb them out. And now I'm going to take my shoestring and I'm going to tie it in the front of my head and just push it up in the back. It's just, when you do that, just, you know, push the hair out the string and do that all around, and just kind of twist it as what I'm doing right here, and just kind of tuck it anywhere in the side. And that's what I use my pick for, to tuck it in. So now that I have it in a high puff, I'm going to take my big teat comb and I'm just gonna lift it. Just, you know, lift it, because I like big froze. And right, just lift it up. Get all those curls out. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my Gorilla Glue, right, and just put around my edges and just bring that up. I don't really care about getting it so crazy curly or whatever. I just want it to look cute. But I'm going to use my toothbrush on it and make it more flawless. My toothbrush. So now I'm gonna just take my toothbrush and kind of swoop it. I really don't care about getting it curly swoop, like too curly. I just want it to look laid, you know. I'm not really fussy about getting it like super duper curly and get it all swooped out like laid, you know. I'm just really not that serious. So I'm just gonna do it to the other side and get it, you know, nice, and just one swoop is good for me. I'm not crazy about it. Just get it nice and neat looking. Get those edges laid, girl. And yes, I love that. Get it nice. Yeah. Please don't mind the sound in the background. It's my daughter watching cartoons. They're so noisy sometimes. Oh, God. But you just gotta love them. So I'm finished, and now I'm gonna show you the back. Okay. I love it. It's very convenient, and This is my go-to hairstyle. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to see more videos, hit the alert bell in the corner. So when I do make videos, you will get it right away. Okay? And please, you can comment if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. And like I said, give me a thumbs up, and you have a wonderful new year, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye.